Our thin wall heat shrink tubing has a wall thickness smaller or equal to 2.41 mm after recovery and is the most flexible heat shrink tubing model. The voltage rating is smaller or equal to 0.6 kV. The different types of thin wall heat shrink tubing differ in shrink ratio, from 1.5 to 1, up to 4 to 1. The operating temperature is between -65 degrees Celsius up to +260 degrees Celsius. Types with adhesive are available for protection against moisture and water. Also flame retardant, chemical resistant and printable types are available. Our thin wall heat shrink tubing is suitable for the most low voltage applications. To get an overview of the different types of heat shrink tubing that WKK offer, you can view our flow chart, so you can easily determine which type of heat shrink tubing will be the most suitable one for your intended application. Do you want more information? Visit wkk.eu or contact us for more advice.